seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brandy, this is Pocket Watch, and this is game 3 of Challenge Battle Royale. We got Jetta. We got Vitaly. Vitaly won game 1, Jetta won game 2. Let's see who's gonna win game 3 in our epic box booty shake. So this is how the game works. They got some boxes attached to their booties. We're gonna fill those boxes with some weird stuff. The first round's gonna be those Krabby Patty gummies. Yeah. These babies here. And the second round's gonna be Legos and weird toys. The third is gonna be spaghetti and meatballs and marinara sauce.
Oh, yay, more of that.
You love it. And the loser is going to have GURP in their box and they have to shake it all out, all over themselves, and it's gonna be awesome. For me and you. We're gonna put 15 seconds on the clock. They gotta shake all those Krabby Patties out. Okay, we're about to start the timer. Everybody get in their positions. We're gonna start the booty music. We're gonna start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go!
Are they coming out? Out of my butt! Out of my butt! Get out of there! Get! I don't think there's anything left in there!
Nothing! Nothing! Oh!
No, there's...
Oh! No! I think this round goes to Jetta!
That's right. His buns?
Hey,
Shake out those buns.
Okay, we're back. Jetta, you won fair and square.
Yes, I did.
So we're on to round 2 and we have a mix of silver and gold toys. You're gonna shake those booties and get those toys out. Ready? 15 seconds on the clock. And go!
Get off my butt!
Sounds pretty empty.
I pulled a muscle.
Whoa.
Wait a
They're
second.
booty experts.
Somebody chewed. No, I'm just kidding.
This one was a tie. I think 15 seconds is too long. How about you guys? Vote down below. 10 seconds for round 3. This is gonna be spaghetti and meatballs. Ha ha ha, ha ha ha. 10 seconds, are you guys ready?
No.
Yep. This is on to the third round. If my calculations are correct, it's the third round, and it's spaghetti and meatballs and marinara sauce, and these boxes are heavy.
Yeah, they are.
So I need to hold them up until they turn around. Let's turn you guys around carefully. In a way that I can, okay, good. Okay, good.
Turn around.
And we're starting the booty music, hurry. 10 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ah! Yeah! No! Stop! Timer is done.
There's a mess.
Oh, there's nothing in Vitaly's box. Oh, Jetta, I'm so sorry.
Is it in there?
There's stuff in there. You lost this round. That means it's a tie.
Spaghetti has been smiting me.
Let's get them GURPed up. Okay, this was game 3. We're on to our finale of game 3. Comment down below who you want to win game 4. Are you Team Vitaly? Are you Team Jetta? Let us know in the comments down below. And keep watching for more games. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah,
Remember,
we're ready.
twerking is up and down, not side to side, okay? Start that music.